Most AI voiceovers sound robotic and instantly kill your YouTube channel. But what if I told you this voice is completely AI and 100% free? And in the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to create this step by step, even if you've never edited anything before.
Listen closely. Which one sounds real? This one?
If your voiceover sounds like a robot, viewers click away, but a human-sounding voice keeps them watching. Try this tool yourself and hear the difference.
Or this one?
If your voiceover sounds like a robot, viewers click away, but a human-sounding voice keeps them watching.
Most people pick the wrong tool and quit YouTube before they even start. If your AI voice sounds robotic, it's not your fault. It's because you're using outdated tools. Today we fix that using free tools only. I'm using this free tool called ElevenLabs. Log in 2 seconds. Click on Just Text to Speech. Try opening it with me right now. Pause if you want. Now pick this voice style. Type your script like this. And hit generate.
If your voiceover sounds like a robot, viewers click away, but a human-sounding voice keeps them watching.
Now listen to this. This already sounds 10 times better than most faceless channels. This is exactly the setup I'm using for my own faceless videos. If you want, I'll link the exact tools I use in the description. Now here's the secret most beginners miss. Add pauses like this. This is what makes it sound human. But voice alone is not enough. In the next video, I'll show you how to turn this voice into full AI videos using free tools. If you combine both, you basically have a full YouTube automation system.